Hey everyone, welcome to Parrot Quiz. Today we're flying around the globe in our Guess the City by Emoji challenge. You'll see two emojis, they point to a famous city. You've got 10 seconds to crack each one, and for every right answer, give yourself 1 point. And don't forget to comment your final score at the end. Alright, buckle up, travelers. Let's begin our emoji journey now. New York. The Big Apple served with a slice of pizza. Let's taxi to the next one. Dubai. Shiny towers rising from golden sands. Ready to ride to the next city? All right, Berlin. That's beer and bricks for the win. Let's march on to the next one. Paris. Baguettes under the Eiffel Tower, magnifique. Let's paint the next clue with style. Tokyo. Cakes and Islands, ninja level guess. Here comes the next urban challenge. Munich. Castles and cold brews, strong combo. Let's toast the next emoji puzzle. San Francisco. That bridge and dolphin gave it away. Surf into the next one. Rome. The drama and pasta classic. Let's spin the fork on the next guess. Sydney. Koalas by the beach. Spot on. Hop into the next one, mate. Mecca. A spiritual guess done right. Nice job, Globetrotters. How many cities did you guess right? Drop your score in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more fun quizzes with Parrot Quiz. Until next time, keep guessing and keep smiling.